guys, so this is the room. So I'm standing by the door. So this is what you see when you enter the room. It's a little bit small compared to the place that we were the last time that we were here. And then there is your coffee station. This is your TV, your mirror, your wardrobe, and coffee station. So you have I don't know what they call this, where you put your ice for your wine. I normally see it on TV. You've got two glasses, and this is what you have. Then that's just my water, and basically, yeah. And then you have this small pathway here. I'm just going to show you from the other side. So that is the door, and then this is your view from this side. Your TV. It is very small. Then you have your side tables or whatever. This is your bed. Okay, and this side is that. Then we're gonna enter the bathroom. Okay, let me just switch on the lights. Okay, so this is your shower. Loving the design of the shower. And then you have your sink. Then you have your mirror. And then you have your toilet with your bin. And then you have the place where you hang your towels. That is me. And then basically this is what we have. And then again you have your room there. Then this is your shower. Just show you again. So yeah, unfortunately there is no beach view, but hey, it's okay. Molweni zithandwa. Welcome. Firstly, let us thank God for bringing us through another week. Other people, they did not make it to see this day or this week, so let us be grateful. We are blessed. If you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ubabalwa. You can call me Babes, you can call me Babs, you definitely can call me Babsy. Here we do all things single parent, motherhood, ADHD, son, and anything about life in general. If that is the kind of content that you are interested in, please do join us by subscribing to the channel and become part of this virtual family. I would love to have you here. And to our return. Thank you guys so much for coming back to yet another video. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your loyalty. Thank you so much. As you guys have seen, I'm back in Durban. We coming to assess some roads that we didn't get to assess the other time. So as you can see, guys, I am beautiful thanks to my brother. I girl ndizokuzama. So I did my hair yesterday by Utembi. I'm gonna link her Instagram handle. You can contact her there. I look so beautiful thanks to my brother and thanks to Utembi. Guys, you know one thing about me, I'm the oldest one, right? I'm the firstborn. I cut my nails were too long. My nails were long, and then I cut myself. So I painted my nails yesterday, and then I always cut myself if my nail length is a bit longer than this length. So I cut myself anyway. So as I was saying, I'm the oldest one in Kaya. I'm always asking my brothers to help me out. I mean, sana pounds, rands. Sana, like they always complain about, you are the one that's supposed to be giving us money. You are the oldest one. Rands down there, pounds up there. I mean, so as you saw the room. So this room is very small, and the cons is that there's no phone. Like if you want to call reception, there's no phone. There's no, what else is happening here? Like there's no, even with the Wi-Fi, you have to actually go downstairs for you to get the Wi-Fi. I mean, when we checked in, they didn't give us the passwords and everything. So also there's no restaurant here. The restaurant that they say they have closes at 2 p.m.
Oh no.
So if you want to order something here, or you want to eat supper here, then you have to use Uber Eats, or you have to walk down to the beachfront, which we just did together with Omros. Omros is from electrical side. He's not from our company, but so we came with him because he also needs to assess electrical side of whatever he needs to do, which I'm not quite sure, but I know that he's going to be checking at electrical things this side. So we took a walk, and I got upstairs into time is
what?
I got a new phone. How can I not tell you guys? I got a new phone. Lily, because on this iPhone my brother had given me the SIM card is not picking up the network. So when I went to the people that repair phones, then they told me it's a 50-50 situation. It can work after they fix it, or it cannot work. So I just said, no, I don't have the money for that, so let me just buy Lily. So got a new phone. So anyway, we walked to the beachfront. When we came back, Sana, people not getting mugged. There was a car there were these ladies, I don't know what they were doing. I think they were pressing their phone, whatever. Came some guys, snatched their phone, and off they went in a car, and we just had screams, you know. And when we were walking down, we saw a policeman, and we asked him, where can we get like a takeaway food, because this place doesn't serve there's no restaurant, or you can't even call room service. So he told us, no, go there, and he says be safe. So if you are going to be walking at beachfront, I remember even the last time I was here during the day, they said to me, you must be safe. So it's really not safe around here, which is actually quite sad, you know. So yeah, guys, I hope at the end of this vlog you will be a subscriber if you haven't yet clicked the subscribe button. Let me eat, I'm starving. The last time I ate was 10 o'clock. Undalo, I'm just worried because Undalo, I left him, I didn't see him when I left, because he told me he's going to be playing and all of that. Mind you, he was supposed to go to Pathfinder practice. He didn't go. He was like, no, I'm going to leave. He wants to spend some time with me. An hour later, he was gone. I didn't see him again. Like he came back to drink water and that was it. So I left food for him for the next 2 days, supper, and then he's sleeping over at my friend's place there by the flats. So I'm just worried about that because he never charges his phone, and if I'm not there, I'm just worried what's going to become of him, what's going to happen to him, because I constantly have to say, Ndalo, get dressed, Ndalo, eat, Ndalo, do this, Ndalo, do this. So I'm just really worried what's going to happen tomorrow. But I'll keep you guys posted. But I know he's in safe hands with the lady, because I told them that he must wake up, he must sleep with them, and then he must wake up and go downstairs, wash and do everything that he's supposed to do. When I got here past 7, I called him. His phone was off, because when I left, his phone was in the charger. So clearly he hasn't come back from playing. If you don't call Undalo, he doesn't come back. So clearly he wasn't back from playing, and that time he must still wash, and he must also still eat, and he's supposed to be sleeping at 8, but he never does. So yeah, guys, single parenting sana. Anyway, let me eat and then I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I guess son, only pella, and cause shocking what, like wow. Sana guys, like solala njani son. In fact, solala njani. How am I going to sleep? I've seen 2 cockroaches since I got here. And when did I arrive here? It's not even 3 hours. Yeah, it's not even 3 hours, guys. Hey. And when you in the hotels, you sometimes leave your bags open and whatnot. Now I have to make sure that I close everything. Otherwise, sana dizoti dipam kwabantu kupoqephela. How's that? Iyo. But anyway, I sent the lady that had booked for us. She's probably sleeping or whatever, but she must know this place in J it's not right. It's not right. It's not right. If you would see toilet paper, I mean, even Airbnb, they have better toilet rolls than what we have here. Let me show you guys. Sana over to lie. Like, I'm not being fascinated. I mean, at my place, I use autoply, whether it's clicks or discount or whatever. Yeah, but even the Airbnbs that I've slept or booking.com or whatever, they have 2-ply. Hi, Shem. And then I'm being fussy or what, but no, God, if you're saying you're a hotel, I'm expecting that you at least have autoply amongst other things. There's no microwave. There's no bar fridge. I mean, even Airbnb places, you get those things. They come as standard. I mean, really now. Like, really. So if you order your food, you can't warm it up. If you have a drink, you can't keep it cold. Yet there's no restaurant here that you can go eat at. Sit and eat. Yeah. Anyway, guys, let me end it here for today, for tonight. I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow. And by the look of things, I feel like the breakfast is not gonna make sure. It's not gonna make sure. Anyway, nighto. Good morning. Good morning. So today is Monday. I slept well, Shem, I don't want to lie, although I was a bit worried about the cockroaches, but the bed, Shem, I must say, it was very nice, very soft. Like, I could sleep the whole day. That is the one thing, the one good thing about this place. Otherwise, enjoy. Okay, so yesterday I showed you guys the cockroaches, and then also about the towels that you normally get in the bathroom. There's only these small towels. Now imagine, I'm a plus size and I can't fit the towel around my whole body. Come on, because now it's gonna, like, it gives a slit. No, I'm wondering people that are much bigger than me, Benzanjan, how do they do? Come on, this is not nice. This is not nice. And secondly, if I can show you TV sana, like, what is this?
Oh no.
SABC 2 is not working. I buy only SABC 1 and 3. Also, now if you need to iron, I'm gonna have to go downstairs at reception, and then I'm gonna have to come up. As I mentioned yesterday, Oti, there isn't that phone where you can just dial reception or whatever to get what you need. So sana, like, just today. Sana iyan disappoint Linda. I mean, iyan disappoint Hashem, I don't want to lie. Anyway, guys, I wanted to show you something. Before I came, I had to go buy 2 jeans, so I have an account at TFG, for emergencies or for when I need to buy something quickly, so I had to buy jeans because my jeans were kind of like almost torn up in the middle of my thigh, so I wasn't going to be able to come and work with those. Imagine if I have to bend and I have to measure something and then sana it just tears up. So to avoid that embarrassment, so I got these jeans from Jet. It was 2 of them. I'll show you. This is the other one. It's a black jean because I need like dark colors, because when you come back from there, sana, it's a mess. You are dirty and sometimes it's dusty, so it's good that you get like dark colored jeans. So this is what I got. I'll also show you guys when I wear them. And also I also bought a suitcase. I bought it what's the name of the place next to Fanda's Zipper in Government. I that suitcase that you guys saw, I bought it there for 390. So yeah, guys, let me quickly get dressed. I think today we're gonna work at the office. We're not gonna go do the assessments today. So yeah, and then basically, yeah, let's go to work. So these are the jeans, skinny jeans. I actually like them. This is a size 12. So yeah. And Minglan. And you should have a sun, like, but hey, I'll see you guys. Let's go. We meet again. Bye. Hi guys, well, I'm tired, Chonga. I am exhausted. How many kilometers today? Like, look at my shoes. Kudinekile. I'm been fucking makeup. Yeah, bo. Anyway. Let me quickly show you guys the view before it gets dark. Oh. So there, right there you have your sea view, and then basically that side there in between these buildings, that's where you have your little bit of sea view. Otherwise, this is all that you will see when you are in the room. We're gonna go out for supper. Mr. G said he wants us to go to the Suncoast Casino. He hasn't been there because he grew up in Durban, so he occasionally comes to Durban. So he said that he hasn't been there for some time, so we're gonna go see what we're gonna have there in that casino. So anyway, guys, I'm so tired. I'm gonna try to take you guys along, and I'm exhausted. You know, these thigh bones of mine, sana zibuhlungu, like they are aching. I don't normally go to gym, so this was like a full day's gym for me. So I'm really tired. Talk to you guys later. sitting outside because the card is not working. Apparently they need to reload batteries on the card or whatever. Like, I'm so over this place. I don't want to come back here again, Shem. No, I really don't want to come back here. Anyway, here's the passage. I'm like literally sitting outside. Hi guys, it's Anna. Can you believe in the manner I went down to go ask for a plate, and I was told I must bring them back. Johnny, like, and anyway, I have someone in the room. Yeah, babes.
I'm just shy.
Oh my God. Do not Dokotela in the room. Who's an educator, guess, son, today?
Dr. Lani here. Dr. Lani here. I skipped 5 grades, okay? 5.
Okay, guys. Talk later. Like, you guys know me. You guys know me. Me and cake. Me and meat. me and food. There was no way that I would see Shuttle Ghetto and not buy cake. I mean, yesterday when I was here with the babes had bought a cake. I don't want to lie, I was not impressed with it. I don't remember the place that she had bought it, and she bought a red velvet. When I went to the mall today, because we had to go pick up lunch, there was a meeting at work, and I was like, what? Who's calling me? Who is calling me? Shuttle Ghetto. I mean, they're calling me. Come on. And I went in, guys. Yo, like, but anyway, guys, summer body. Must just forget about me, Shem. Like, I'm aiming for a winter body right now. Like, Sana. So today is our last day up in Durban, and tomorrow we are flying out, right? I'd like Ndikile and Nakeshem. You guys know me, I love eating, I love food. So I probably gained 20 kgs since I arrived Sunday. But anyway, when was it? The day before yesterday, on Tuesday. So on Tuesday I get a call from Ndalo's transport, the lady, and because the driver of the transport is her husband. So I got a call from her, and she was saying, Goti, her husband has been arrested, so I went on Fika late. I must just contact the school to let them know. And I was so panicking because I'm trying to think, I wonder if Umdanam, because normally you have to catch a taxi to somewhere to where he's gonna get the transport if I'm not around. Normally I drop him off at school in the mornings. So I was so panicking. I'm far away, there's nothing that I can do. So I was really panicking and worried. So I did call the school and I told them, this is what's happening. Unfortunately, he arrived, and when I spoke to him later that day, he told me, he was so worried, and like he was almost like scared. He had to walk a distance to school, whereas the transport normally would drop him off in front of the school. So because of whatever that was happening now, he had to walk. And I was like, oh Shem, I'm so sorry that I'm in. I was like, he doesn't like it, he hates it when I'm not around. Like, it really doesn't like it when I'm not around. Such things happen. He feels like he's stranded or something. So yeah, Shem, then I felt, guys, when you don't have like a parent that you know that you can rely on, like you can call, Mama, can you quickly go pick up Undalo? Can you quickly go, So single parenting challenges. Anyway, it is what it is, guys. I must say that first bunny chow that I ate the last time that I was here, I still say Hollywood bunny Aishem, they serve the best in town. This one that I had was a little bit spicy, but there was no flavor. It wasn't flavorful, if I may put it like that. But that one, that's a Hollywood bunny. Aishem, I don't want to lie, that was the best bunny chow I've ever had. I've had 3 because it's Friday. The Friday that I was here, the Thursday I was here that Thursday I had a bunny chow and I vlogged it, and then the following day at work they bought me a bunny chow. And that one was not nice. I don't remember the place that they bought it from. So the one from today, I went and checked the reviews on Google, and they, I think that's a 4.2 rating, but the best one is still that Hollywood bunny. Like, Sana, this is where I'm gonna end it for this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please do give this video a big thumbs up. And please do not forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. And please guys, comment down below, share with your friends, family, colleagues, friends, family, colleagues, friends, family, and colleagues. And please do not forget to subscribe. Up until next time guys, God bless.